Okay guys, I've added another Louis Vuitton Pochette Accessoires to my collection and I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. If you guys have not yet checked out my unboxing of the Hermes Transparent PVC Kelly, please go check that out. I bought both of these bags from the same place, well, different Japanese auction sites, but I use a sort of proxy service that consolidates my orders and then ships them to me. So I got both of these items together in the same box via DHL. And today I want to show you the vintage Louis Vuitton item that I picked up. So I think instead of showing you guys what bag I got in the thumbnail, I'm gonna blur it. So I want you to comment down below which pochette accessoire you think I added to my collection. I don't think you guys will guess it, but honestly, this bag was such a good deal. I could not pass it up. If you've watched my video on my collection of pochette accessoires, I'll link it somewhere above. I have 9 in my collection. This will be my 10th. I mentioned in that video not adding any more of these to my collection unless it was the right price. And I found one for the right price, so I made that purchase and I'll tell you guys how much I paid once we get this open. So again, if you did not check out that previous video, both items came in this box packaged really well. They like plastic wrap everything in bubble wrap and individually saran wrap each item. So here is the vintage Louis Vuitton item I picked up. You can see that it is in the brown box. Let's get this open. So this item, I don't know, I'm not sure exactly what the condition is going to be in. I definitely translated the description. It's written in Japanese. I translated it to English. I looked at all the pictures. It looked safe enough. This particular bag is in a really durable material, so I wasn't that worried about it. I didn't even know that it came in the box, so that is a nice little benefit. But honestly, who knows? When you're buying these from this site, again, I have to make a separate video walking you guys through it, but so far I've been very lucky. I think it's just because Japanese sellers, I don't know, they're very trustworthy. They hold their inventory to a high standard, and especially if you're buying from a company and not a personal seller, there's a lot less risk associated with it. And I'm pretty sure this was like a shop through an auction site. It was either Rakuten, Rakuma, or Yahoo Auctions. I'm not sure which site it comes from because it kind of like consolidates them. But let's go ahead and show you what I got. Oh my gosh, it has the dust bag. It has the, oh my goodness, guys. Okay, it has the ribbon, the leather tie that they used to give you. It's not a ribbon. It has the original booklet, which this is going to kind of give it away, but this makes me very excited because I don't have the original booklet with my other one. So I'm not going to show this one to you until I show you the bag. All right. What do you guys think? It's a little bit of a vintage cell. Oh my gosh. It's in excellent condition. Wow. Oh my gosh, this color is actually really pretty. It really pops. This is the Purple Cosmic Blossom Pochette Accessoire from Spring Summer 2010. And I believe I have the original retail written down for this. Yes, it was originally $550. Okay, I'm going to do a quick inspection. I'm honestly shocked. I was worried about the condition of this bag. The hardware is like perfect. Look at the hardware. It's in like, it looks like it's never been used. Here's the stamp. My other one is made in Spain. This one is also made in Spain. Let's look at the interior. There's the interior. I see one little spot there that I'll clean up. Let's see the tag. It says CA1100, so it was made in the 10th week of 2010. Honestly, it has like maybe a slight vintagey smell. It's not bad at all. I'll probably do my whole dryer bead thing just to eliminate that, or maybe do some baking soda, but honestly, it's not bad at all. This bag looks like it's in perfect condition. There's all the little flower guys. Let me show you my pink one. So here is my pink one. Now I'm only missing the blue. Now, if you watched my video on the Pochette Accessoires collection, I said that this was actually my least favorite because it's a single color and because of the like plasticky vinyl material. It just feels like a little cheaper, but this was made as part of the beach collection. So I think it was supposed to be like a little more water friendly. That is why they use this material. I just love the Murakami flower design, so I love it when it's very colorful and it has all of the colors. So when it's a single color, it's a little boring, but honestly this purple really pops, and purple is not my favorite color, and seeing this in person, am just really loving the pop of this purple. So the only one I'm missing from my collection now is the blue. Now that I have both of these, I'm gonna have to track down the blue. But let me tell you what I paid for this and why I jumped on it so quickly. So in Japanese, I paid 54,540 yen, which translates to $394.87. So I paid $395 for this bag, which originally retailed for $550. So I paid less than retail. Like I said, if I find it for a good price, I'm gonna add it to my collection because I collect all of the Takashi Murakami Pochette Accessoires. I really only need to add the blue now and my collection will be complete, aside from mini pochettes, which there is the cherry one and the fringe one I could technically add there. But right now I'm mainly focused on the pochette accessoire style. So I'm really excited with this. I don't know why I was worried. Like I said, Japanese sellers have such amazing integrity that there's really nothing to worry about. Okay, I do see a little cracking on this corner here. I don't know if that's gonna show up on camera. It's like peeling a little bit, but it does not bother me. So cute. I think I'm going to have to redo this shelf and maybe stack all of my pochettes sideways because I don't know how to like continue to display these all. I'm so excited that I got that bag for such a great deal. So when I was opening it, I mentioned that I didn't have this booklet. This is the Cosmic Blossom booklet, and I love these because they share a little bit more information on the collection that's not always readily available. Sometimes you can find it in books, sometimes not, but this says, after such successful collections as Monogram Multicolor, Monogram Cerise, I Love Monogram, or 𝒟𝒾𝓈𝒾𝓆, Cosmic Blossom opens a new page in the artistic collaboration of Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami. And I apologize if I'm mispronouncing that. I'm always trying. Artist and creator Takashi Murakami is held to be one of the leading figures of Japanese neopop, whose imagery world is full of color, surprise, and humor. Steeped in manga culture, this unique universe is also related to the traditional Japanese painting, an endless source of inspiration for Takashi Murakami. Smiling flowers, a recurrent pattern in his work, give a contemporary vision of the flowers in traditional painting. Cosmic Blossom adds a new twist in the play of interpretations, mixing the smiling flowers with the flowers of Monogram. So you can see they're talking about the smiling flowers, and then you've got the Louis Vuitton monogram as well with the smiling faces inside. Super cute. Cosmic Blossom is a summery, colorful, and fresh limited edition. The unique process of serigraphy developed specifically for this project allows obtaining a very precise pattern of high quality. It is the printing technique that gives the density and depth to the color. To preserve the beauty of your product, we recommend you follow these few instructions. Avoid prolonged contact with grease, makeup, or any materials, magazines, colored leather, etc., as it may transfer their color pigments onto the product. So that's typical advice for a patent leather. You don't want to put things that they like kind of stick to it. It can develop this like stickiness, and the magazine print could show up on the patent leather bag. So that's typical patent leather advice, which this isn't leather. I think it's a PVC, but it actually hasn't told us that yet. To prevent the scratches on your product, take care not to rub it against abrasive surfaces. The exterior canvas of the product is water resistant. Meanwhile, if the details or the lining of your product get wet, you can dab them dry with a clear, absorbent, and non-fluffy cloth. So it says it's canvas. It says to store it in the protective pouch, properly take care of your Louis Vuitton product, and you see the trademark for Louis Vuitton and Takashi Murakami. So I'm actually really excited that I get to add this booklet to my collection. Not only do I collect bags, I also collect catalogs, magazines, the old price guides. I love having these materials, again, because sometimes things in print, now that the internet is everywhere, sometimes printed things get lost. And there's a wealth of information in books and little things like this that I wish we had access to and were repurposing on the internet. So I'm glad that I had this, and I'm glad that I could share it with you guys. So did you guys guess right? Is this the piece you thought I added to my collection? Let me know in the comments what you think of my new pochette accessoire, and if you think I paid a good price for it. I'm always looking to buy things under market value, and I'm always hunting for the best prices. If you guys see the blue one for a good price, send it my way, because I'm definitely interested. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you want more luxury unboxings, more history about luxury brands and handbags. I love sharing information with you guys that I find, so please subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Rachel Went Shopping. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.